Hey guys, SimmersDim here, back with some brand new Airsoft Scope Cam gameplay, this time coming from Reforger Airsoft in the UK. In this gameplay, I'm using my trusty Polestar HK416 build. In this gameplay, myself and Tom from Gilly Airsoft are playing a two-stage attack and defend game. We're defending and we decide to take the right flank. Tom does what he does best and disappears into the foliage with his suppressed 416. I decide to push up a little bit further with mine. Now let's jump into the gameplay.
We've got a Gilly guy on the right, he's ours, so just beware. Oh yeah, shit, I see him.
Shoot dead ahead,
One down. Rounds coming in. Oh yeah, I see him. Right side, yeah. I don't think I can get him through the foliage, but I know where he is. The red band he's got on. Yeah, I see. He's gone, got him. Yeah, one's gone. Yeah, they're both gone. No, he's still there, I can see his band. Got him. The problem is just trying to punch through the foliage. Luckily I'm using threes. There's a load of them. Yeah. You're 1 o'clock. Yeah, roger. Yeah, I've taken out probably about 4 right now.
Dead ahead.
Yeah. I'm trying to reload. This is not good. Yeah, they're pushing right on us right now. Guys, they are right there. If you're still alive, they're right here. Hit!
Wasn't sure if I hit that guy, but I get taken out there. Then it's on to stage 2. Stage 2, we're actually defending the village area. However, at this point I'm totally out of ammo, so I have to wait for the marshal's truck to reload, and it's quite funny.
Yes! He's coming! The truck's coming! I can reload my fucking mags! Yes! Thank fuck you're here, I'm out of ammo. Finally, got some fucking ammo. Oh, hey girl, you want to die? Oh, you peeked down. She must have not wanted to die. Changing.
Yeah, they're just popping their heads up, and it's impossible. We don't know anything.
Loads of guys. In the woods.
Ah, that's where Tom is.
That's where I'm going to go.
Yeah.
I decided to push back into the building as it's better cover and there's too many of us on that corner, so I decided to find a nice little lane to hold here.
One's down.
Oh, where's that? No, what's the hold it, bro?
You guys, someone needs to watch here. Fuck. They're literally right there. Yeah, they're right there.
Yeah, you get stuck there with a few good fire.
They are starting to try and come this way. Fuckers. One more left. Changing.
Got him. Got a shadow.
They're down there. If you hold that lane, I'll keep this lane as long as I can.
At this point, our team don't have any lives left, so I have to make every kill count.
You can try. You hit me. Oh, you're on my team.
Unfortunately, nice play by my teammate, however, we managed to friendly fire each other. And at that point, we're out of lives. So that is it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is Simmersdim, and I'll see you in the next one.